my age karon that I consider it a sad moment kana mo edad kag 40. You know why? Ask me why.
Why?
Because pag 40 na ka, ang imong ginikanan mga 60 pataas.
Yes.
Ang imong mga tito-tita 60 pataas.
Yes.
Those are the years na you encounter na yung mga mamatay sa family. Tama ba?
Tama.
So, every now and then, within a period of 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, mag-edad ka 40, pila ka lubong imong maatinan. Meaning, makita na nimo imong lolo o lola mamatay, ilubong imong tito, tita, and sadly also your parents might die when you're around 40, 50 years old. And this past years, especially during the pandemic, no, madagang kay namatay, it made me realize how valuable our health is. No? Unless tanga-tanga ka diha, nitabo ka, naligsan ka, na, wala, di tayo mahimuan na, accident na gina. But, we are here this afternoon because we need to be reminded of how important our health is. So, we are very thankful to Riway International for coming up with this amazing product. So, before I continue, for the sake of our first-timers, Riway is a Singaporean company that has been in existence for 16 years with only this one amazing product. Diha pa lang makaingon na ta no, na this product bisag wa pa nako gi-present. Makaingon na ta nga effective gyud nindot kay nga product. Why? Because if this product is not effective, walay mo palit. Kung walay mo palit, walay halin si Riway. Kung walay halin si Riway, nabay company maabdag 16 years.
Wala.
Kay kung dili halinon si Portier, wala naman sila ang product. Am I right?
Yes.
But still, in this 16 years, and even at the time of pandemic, this company, Riway International, even expanded to Europe at the time of pandemic. So let's give Riway a round of applause. So let's begin with our product presentation. Kaganina niingon mo, importante ang health. Yes, tama?
Yes.
So now let's have our first slide. So, yes, in line with that question, let us update ourselves about the report of World Health Organization ni-release atong September 22, 2022 about the top 10 killer diseases. So, naabay familiar ninyo nga mga sakit diha? Na or tanan. Nako, pag naang 1 to 10, nako, delikado yun, right?
Yes.
So, very sad. Remember, this is only the top 10. Napay daghang sakit diha nga wala diha. We have lupus, we have AIDS, no, and other forms of cancer. It's very worse, a very sad story because in 2019, 2 years ago, 54% lang ang namatay. Karon 74% of all people, of all deaths around the world died because of these diseases. 1% na lang, 3/4 na lang. Which means to say, 74% sa tanang namatay in 2019 namatay because of these diseases. Number 1 is heart disease, followed by stroke. Worldwide mo na, number 1 and number 2. In the Philippines, still, it's the same, the number 1 and number 2. Followed by lower respiratory infections, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, lung cancer, diabetes, number 6. 2 years ago, diabetes is only number 8. May pa si diabetes nag-rank up.
Bitaw.
No,
Agay.
in just 2 years. Grabe. Followed by Alzheimer's. No, di tayo kumpiyansahan na nga ang atong mga elder in the family nga di ango-ango, no, kay daghan day mamatay every year. We have diarrheal disease, especially in Africa, tuberculosis, and number 10 is cirrhosis. So, cirrhosis is the cancer of the liver. Yan. So, remember, top 10 pa lang ni. No? Top 10 pa lang. Daghan pa kayong sakit nga wala diha. And if you notice, these are all degenerative diseases. Which means to say, pag naa ka aning sakita o nya pasagdahan ra nimo imong lawas, eventually maapil ka diha sa kanang nasa background nga picture, ikamatay gyud nimo. That is why you need to visit a doctor, have your health checked up para makabalo ka because while we say prevention is better than cure, the next best thing is earlier detection
Yes.
is better. Now, what are the factors? Kasi natawo man ta nga walay sakit. No? Wala lang tay sanina, pero wala tay sakit, right? Sa dihang we came out from our mother's womb. So, nga naman nga karon, ang mga tao magkasakit man, what are the factors? First is the aging population. Whether we like it or not, every day we grow old. Every year we celebrate a birthday, tama? And there are certain diseases associated with old age, especially Alzheimer's. Unsa pay lain nga kasagarang sakit sa mga katiguangan, no? Stroke kani, daghan kayo. Gani ang mga doktor moingon sila, ang BP nimo 140/80. High blood naman na dapat, pero pag mo edad ay kag 60 pataas, normal na day daw na sa imo.
Yeah.
Right? And then ang diabetes nga dapat 100 lang, karon 110. Normal pa daw because of your age. So, next one is wrong diet, especially for diabetes. No? Dili na ta magtan-aw karon kung healthy ba atong ginakaon, ang importante lamig. No? Atong pandemic, no, goal kayo ta, pero pagdihang nang hatag og ayuda, dawat gid ta, lipay
Yes.
kay ta, pero unsa atong gikaon? Dilata, pansit canton, no? Puro hotdog, mga processed food, tama? So there are a lot of diseases associated with the wrong diet. Unya, ang kakuyaw pagid sa diabetes is a network of diseases. Daghan na dayon kang complications makuha if you started with just one disease, diabetes. Next one is inevitable or
Stress.
unavoidable stress. Kinsa diri ang walay stress?
Sila.
Oy, sayang. Muklay mong taog battle, tagaan ako libre.
Kami.
So, next time ha, you know the answer. Okay, so inevitable or unavoidable stress. Meaning to say, bisag unsaon na to, di gyud kalikayan ang stress sa atong panahon karon, tama?
Yeah.
Mo brown out stress, init kayo karon sa gawas, di ba? Stress na ka. Oh, ang mga nanguyab nga nabasted, stress. Ang giaway sa asawa, stress.
Samot.
Ang traffic, stress. So,
Yes.
anywhere you go na, you stress. That's part of our life na kudyod karon. And lastly, is what we call pollution. So, we're talking about air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, even noise pollution can affect us. Why? Kay kami, while I was studying in college, ang atubangan sa among balay sa Pagadian, bidyukihan, sa kilid bidyukihan, sa pikas bidyukihan, likod ra sa among balay ang wala. So, we are always deprived of sleep. So, pag deprived ka of sleep, unhealthy po na siya, tama? So, with all these factors, no, there was a point in time in medical science nga nagka-bottleneck crisis na. Bottleneck meaning naglisod na ang mga doctors and scientists what to do to help the patient to get the cure that they need to actually recover from these diseases. But that was the thing of the past because there was a recent medical science breakthrough. Next slide. What breakthrough is that? The discovery of stem cell. So from the word discovery, meaning stem cells were already in nature. It's discovered nga naa na day siya in the environment, wa lang nato nahibaw-an sa una. So meaning stem cells are not something nga giimbento sa mga scientists and doctors sa ilahang laboratory. It's very amazing that scientists and doctors advocating stem cell therapy are saying, oh, it's just the tip of the iceberg with stem cell therapy. It still has unlimited possibilities of treatment boundaries. Some are even saying, katong mga nangaulian yun, mayroon sila, oh, it has miraculous abilities. That even katong mga sakit nga nasa top 10 killer diseases kaganina, which are considered before to be incurable, are now curable with stem cell. So we must first understand, so that we can share properly stem cell, we must understand what is stem cell and how does it work in the body. So, in order to do that, we have to go back to the very beginning of our existence. So, asa man ta nagsugod tanan? Sa dihang ang atong mama o papa, ang sperm ni papa lang ovum, no? So, naabot sa punto nga namalong og suga, dayon naglabing-labing sila.
Yes.
Bating nga di
Aha, di
mapugnan.
ka pugnain.
So, nag-abot ang sperm ug ovum sa atong ginikanan. So, baliktad biology 101.
Yes.
When the sperm and ovum unites, it forms the mother stem cell or the zygote or the fertilized egg. So it is the first stem cell. So kita tanan nagsugod sa stem cell, no? And then it will duplicate rapidly, mudaghan, pareha sa atong mga leaders na mudaghan.
Yes.
Then mahimong blastocyst. And then on the period of 9 years, usually 9 months. 9 months. Paglabas sa kuwan, manab.
Buwang na.
Buwang
So
na.
9 months. 9 months pregnancy ang average. So kani nga daghang stem cells, cluster of stem cells, mag-iya-iya na siya og transform or differentiate or develop into more than 300 different types of stem cells nga mooy mobuo sa different parts of our body, different organs, hantod nga mahimo siyang baby. In other words, our body are made up of stem cells. So pag naatay sakit, it simply means our body is telling us there's something wrong, that we need to reset our body back to the healthy state. So if we need to reset our body back to its original healthy state, we have to use the same element as our body, which is
Stem
cells. Okay? So since inana kanindot ang stem cells no nga makaayo gid siya, but it did not came from us lang. So next slide, sir. Dili lang si Riway ang nagsulti nga nindot kayo ang stem cells. A lot of published articles from newspapers, magazines, even business magazine, the feature now stem cell therapy from around the world talking about the miracle of stem cell. We can read here stem cell and autism. 1 year later, ang autistic na ulian. We have stem cell therapy to treat diabetes, even AIDS patient cured with stem cells from HIV-resistant donor. Last 2 months ago, dito mi sa Jensen ay nag-testimony AIDS na ulian. Pero namatay kihapon, kay naligsan. Next,
Yeah.
kinsay kailan Time Magazine?
Kami.
Time Magazine, di ba? One of
Yes.
the most respected magazines in the world. Pero, it features stem cell. Atubangan pag yun, front page. So, if ma-feature ka diha sa Time Magazine front page pag yun, di ginatiaw-tiaw nga balita, right? So, we also have cancer and stem cells. Pero, kami sa Riway, especially sa mga naka-take now due to product the fourth year, kani among paborito. 100 Chinese, 50
Chong chong.
Chinese, no? So, ang meaning ana di ay, pwede mi kasabot,
Yes.
ipa-translate na mo, it's a 100-year-old person in a 50-year-old body.
Wow.
Because of stem cell. Manindot, magpaka na to!
Yes.
So maybe, just maybe, dili ka maibog sa masakiton maulian, maybe diri maibog ka kay bata ka. Kasi gusto mo bata diri.
Kami.
Kasi gusto mo balik pagka-fetus.
Di sila.
Joke lang. Ako lang gitest kung naminaw ba gid mo. So now, stem cell therapy na ang labanan when it comes to our health. No? Naulahilan tas Pilipinas. It is now the unstoppable medical science trend, the greatest revolution of medicine that emerged. So, if naakay sakit, or if you know someone nga naay sakit, no, kinahanglan og stem cell therapy, unsa man ang mga modalities? Next slide, sir. So, daghan pa maagi kung gusto ka magpa-stem cell therapy. Pwede ka mularga sa Switzerland or more popularly sa Germany. No? Kaya naay placenta injection dito. Is it effective? Very effective, pero it's very expensive. Kinsay ka afford rin minilyon.
Sila.
Sila ra, no? So, aside it's millions of pesos, it's time consuming. Why? Kay you need to fly to that country, magstay pa ka dito pila ka adlaw, kay obserbahan pa kanila if your body is fit to be injected with stem cell. After that, ma-injectan ka, maghulat na po dahil pila ka adlaw kay under observation pa ka. Alright? Next one, stem cell transplant. Effective ba? Yes, effective. Pero, it's still very expensive. So, and at the same time, this kind of procedure is very painful. Painful na sa bulsa, kay expensive, painful pag yun, kay operahan ka without
anesthesia.
Kaya
Yes.
mamatay ang stem cell sa anesthesia. Next, cord blood banking. So, the question is it effective? Yes, it's effective. Nag-avail gani unta niya na sa una. Walang may naka-continue og pay because before it was sent to Singapore for storage, it was checked na siya bacteria. So there is a big risk daw that the doctor might not use it. So what's the use magbayad mi everyone for 20 years nga moabot og million nga di ra day gamiton sa doktor. So di na lang mo dayon. Why? Because the sad thing about this, effective unta siya, but na siya limit 20 years lang. And it's only good for that child of that particular birth. Kaya ang igsuon dili pwede mo gamit ato. Right? And ang mama 50-50. Whereas ako nga multi-purpose unta na mo kay ako'y mo gamit unta ato kay borderline diabetic na ko before, dili dai ko pwede. Bisan pagpila ka milyon akong bayaran, it's not fit for me. Dili siya. So na siya compatibility issue. The next one is adult stem cell banking. Parehas atong kwarta nga i-deposit sa bangko, atong stem cells pwede day i-deposit sa stem cell bank. So they have this facility, nga cryogenic facility, ang stem cells from our own body, itaguan. By the time nga magsakit ka, pwede siya kuhaon balik, i-culture, padaghanon, inject sa imong body. But, it will cost you a very large sum of money for the storage fees alone. And by the time you need it, pag-culture pa lang, pag-inject sa imong lawas, ang procedure will still be in the millions of pesos. And because ang stem cells, no, from the time we were baby, daghang stem cells ang lawas. That's why, di ba, hamis ug skin ang bata. But as we grow older, magkatiguang ta, magkagamay ang stem cells sa body mo, nang nanggawas na ng mga wrinkles sa atong naong. So the same with the stem cells in our body, magkagamay po siya, it becomes less potent. Now, kinsa ang ka-afford ani? Kinsa ni mga milyon para pwede maka-afford ani? Di ba? Wala siguro in this room, right? Now, because mahal siya and because ang mga stem cell therapy, makahamis, makabata, na ay mga beauty salon nga nag-offer of placenta injection for as low as 1,000 pesos. Kinsay ganahan?
Dili
Affordable na. Oh, anong dili ta ganahan?
Dili ta ana.
Nga ba stem cell nga sana kalibo? The question is, stem cell ba kaagid siya?
Mo na.
Asa ka nagikan? Because I watch a video on YouTube nga mga member of the LGBTQ nagreklamo sila because ning avail sila barato kaayo imbis mabata sila magwapa pura na hinoon sila mga alien.
Agay.
Kaya di ito, ang gi-inject silang nawong is petroleum jelly.
Aray.
So nangurot diri, naana sila sungay diri karon, no? Pura na mga demonyo hinoon. So that's the problem when you buy product na very cheap. Right? And then naay mga safety concerns because these are not medical related individuals. So, wala sila training, especially on how to sterilize things. Baka mamaya ang injection gigamit na sa pila na katawo. So what if natoy AIDS? Pinapasa ko sa imo. Next, kinsay gusto help? Libre stem cells.
Kami.
Di ba gusto nato na tanan?
Yes.
You need to have healthy lifestyle. Now, if it will not cost you a single peso, but it will cost you sweat, blood, and tears.
Aray.
Walay bayad sa kwarta, pero bayaran imong oras o hago. Why? In order for our body to produce enough stem cells to keep our body healthy, we need to have exercise every day 30 minutes minimum. Kinsay kaya? Level 1.
Na, di na.
Wala na dayon?
Wala na
Surrender na dayon? Exercise every day 30 minutes. Enough sleep, 8 hours, at least 8 hours a day.
Guilty.
Samot
Wala
wala.
Wala na, hagbong.
Now,
Hagbong ta ani.
I think there was an update no on the water intake. Sa una, 8 glasses of water. Karon, kung pila ka oras kang mata, that's also the equivalent number of glasses of water. Ngatong imnon. So if you have 24 hours a day, kunya makatulog ka og 8 hours, wala ra bagid dire. That means 16 hours kang mata. Tama? You are awake for 16 hours. So dapat 16 glasses of water atong imnon every day. Di po 16 dunganon nimo. Kay nabay namatay sa US a few months ago. O 2 liters of water in 15 minutes namatay siya.
Nalubos na.
Na over ka healthy. No? Ingon ang explanation sa doctor na dissolve ang
Sodium.
sodium sa body, which is bad. So 1 hour, 1 glass every 1 hour. Okay?
Okay.
Kisay kaya diri.
Kaya for now. Kainit kaayo.
Kaya for now, no?
Oh, yes.
Pero ako makaingon jud kog di na ko kaya, siguro mga half of it lang, 8 glasses.
We.
Ang kape, mga duha, ang milk tea isa,
Way ko, no?
soft drinks duha. So murag lisod jud kay siya tumano, no?
Oo.
So naapa
Hagbong,
jud
hagbong.
dapat walay stress and you live
Na.
ilabay imong cellphone puyo ka dito sa bukid
Na.
or sa isla. No? So nindot unta no libre pero in our time karon murag imposible na gid siya.
Imposible.
With the advancement of technology, dili
Impossible.
na nato ni kaya. So the question now is, if na kay sakit or wala kay or imong kaila na sakit that needs stem cell or wala kay sakit, you just need to take stem cell daan because kabalo ka dili ra ba healthy mong lifestyle for preventive purposes. The question now is there any other way that is convenient? Convenient? Ano sa to? Is there any
Effective.
convenient
And affordable way?
Yun. Parang may nakulang isa before.
Effective.
Effective, yun. Siyempre, given, dapat effective yun, right?
Correct.
So, the good news is, we already have the next best option. We have the oral capsule modern technology. From the previous edition to now, we have a new technology. So, importante magod ang stem cell therapy, kinahanglan buhi siya inside the capsule. Buhi siya when you take it in order for it to work in your body. So, first is the supercritical extraction. Ang nakanice ani karon na technology is that when during the extraction of the stem cells, because of this supercritical extraction technology, katong mga pinaka intended yun nga components ra ang makuha. Ang effect ana mo lessen ang reaction of the body. So it's because of this technology we have now the stem cell patented. Next is the freeze drying technology to preserve and maintain bioactive ang live cell for 3 to 4 years inside the capsule. Next is nitrogen filled technology. So during the encapsulation process, gisiguro sa tong company nga walay oxygen mabilin sa sulod to prevent oxidation para wala ko'y likelihood of bacteria, and it has a small healthy amount of nitrogen which also helps in the preservation of the live cells. Next, very important, that's why na siya sa tunga, the enteric coated technology. So our capsule, nga siya enteric coating para inom na to, asa siya una maadto sa stomach, di ba? Just like sa tanang gikaon na to ganina, hilison siya by the acid. But because our capsule has enteric coating, dili siya mahilis sa stomach acid. So, protected ang cells sa sulod until maabot siya sa alkaline environment of the small intestine. Pag-abot niya diha, automatic ma-dissolve ang capsule and then ma-absorb dahil siya because biosoft gel siya. Dili siya hard capsule or dili po siya powder. Because biosoft gel siya, just like Advil, no? Oh, wala ko gibayra ni Advil ha. Just like Advil and let's say Biogesic, di ba? In America, sikat si Advil because biosoft gel siya, mas paspas siya mo effect because biosoft gel siya. Compared to Biogesic nga, gahi. And then lastly, emulsification technology. It allows larger molecules to be absorbed and then distributed throughout the body. Kabalo na dayon siya, asa siya kinahanglan. It can go down to your scalp, to your hair, hanggang sa mga pinakatumoy sa imong kuko. And the good thing is, because of this technology, no, even sa mga pinakapino nga nerve sa atong mata, kaya niya mo penetrate. That's why daghan gatake og portier are no longer wearing glasses. So, let me introduce you to our latest edition of our product. It's called? Oy, wala na. But, okay, let me explain first. Asa gikan ang atong stem cell? Kasagaran nato makita, no, it came from the black sheep katong sa Germany. But ang ato it came from the placenta of the deer. And not just any deer, it's a deer that came from New Zealand, a pollution-free country. So nga naman nga hayop man na basig tubuan tag sungay o gikog. No, it's not because it's only black sheep and deer ang two known animals in the animal kingdom na biocompatible ilang stem cells sa tao. Which means to say, pwede nato gamiton ang stem cells nila para sa atong lawas to regenerate. In fact, mas nindot pa ang deer because atong mga karaang tao sa Pilipinas and in many different countries around the world, ibalog kita nga ang deer o ang different parts sa iyang lawas, no, naay medicinal benefits sa tao. Nagani ni kaila sa Davao nga naay daghang sungay dito the deer na gikiskisan nila ito nila di pabukalan din imnon kay naa siya medicinal benefits. But our source is the placenta of the deer. And by the way, wala tay ginapatay nga deer. That's why di gyud ta mahutdan og supply of deer placenta because hulaton lang siya nga manganak ang doe or the mother deer to harvest the placenta. Okay, next slide, sir. Yan. So, aside from that, the good thing about our 7th edition of Portier Placenta, kasi mura na siya ato ang mga cellphone, mga iPhone, no, iPhone 15 na, ang Samsung S24, kung sa pa yung cellphone diha. So, because ang atong sakit, ga-upgrade po si Riway because it's a research and development company, ga-upgrade po siya. So, karon in the 6th edition, we only have one patented ingredient. Karon on the 7th edition, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 patented ingredients. Again, because of the supercritical extraction, karon ang deer placenta is now patented and it's called Cervicenta. Next, the Velvicenta, gikan sa velvet, no? It was found out that the velvet of the deer gikan diha sa punuan is also rich in stem cells. So that's why if you notice, ang Portier 7th edition, wala na yung word na placenta. Dili na siya Portier placenta, no? I-correct na to na Portier 7th edition kay duha naman ang source niya, it's not just placenta. Okay, next is N-ginseng. Kailan mo no? Ginseng. But this kind of ginseng, it's patented called dili na ginseng ha, N-ginseng. And it's 150 times better than regular ginseng because kani nga klase nga ginseng gitanom for 10 years or more sa volcanic soil of New Zealand that is rich in minerals and trace elements. Next is the axertone. No? This is from the deer antler mushroom or Ganoderma or Lingsi. Mushroom. No? So, dire sa most Asian countries and other parts of the world, kapalutang ang kanang Ganoderma or Lingsi mushroom has medicinal benefits. But sa tanan nga mushroom or Ganoderma, this is the best. So it's called deer antler mushroom kay mura po siya sungay sa deer. So very appropriate. And of course, kung dugay na kasariwi, kaila kani nucleic laben. Gikan ni siya sa Awaji Island in Japan. White strawberries, very effective anti-inflammatory. When we were in Taiwan last year, pag open sa headquarters, kita ko sa grocery dito, mo palit ko. Kaya pag mainom kag Portier, di ba ni mo malasahan ang white strawberry? Na-curious ko, palit tong tako. May gani, gitanaw na ko daan ng price. Before ko sa natong cashier, di maulawan ng tako. Kaya ang presyo sa usara ka buok, 3,000 pesos. Mag-Portier na lang ko, kay libre na. Okay?
Yes.
Next slide. So now the question is, why do we need to take health supplements? So because of the rules of the FDA, Portier is classified as a health or food supplement. Why do we need to take this kind of supplements? First, from the word itself, supplement. Because whether we eat breakfast, lunch, dinner, or how many snacks we have, dili gyud kaya masupply aning mga ginakaon nato ang much needed nutrients sa atong lawas. So, ang kulang will be supplemented by these health supplements. Next, prevention is better than cure. Next, for recovery, kung nadisgrasya ka, or bagong nanganak, or nagkasakit ka, no, these supplements can help you recover fast. Next, for detoxification. If you have bisyo, tig-sigarilyo ka, tig-inom ka, no, or you work at a factory nga grabe ang pollution, this can help you detoxify the body. And to protect and repair your body. Now, you might ask, a lot of products out there nga mapalit nimo sa Mercury Drug, Rose Pharmacy, o sa Watsons, they offer the same. You are right, you are correct, but only live cell therapy can give you regeneration, and that is our product.
Yes.
And the good thing about it is that, di ba, lahi ang imong immune daw para sa liver, lahi para sa eyes, lahi para sa skin, lahi para sa different parts of your body. The good thing with our product, because it's live cell therapy, Portier lang imong kinahanglan. The only one product you need to fulfill all your supplement needs. One product lang for all your health concern. Next slide. So altogether, in summary, with the 5 patented ingredients, our company was able to come up with the technology to infuse other active ingredients, all natural from around the world. We have brown seaweed, we have apple extract. Every 1 capsule has the essence or polyphenol from 100 apples. Kasi kaya mo kaon 100 apples.
Sila.
Oh, inom lang isa ka 4-year capsule, mura nag 100 apples. So kung tuha, 200. We also have tomato extract. No, gina-advertise ni Del Monte unsay naa sa tomato. Lycopene, anti-cancer. We also have marine collagen. So di na ka kinahanglan magpa-injection. No? Yeah? Evening primrose oil, especially for women, para balik alindog program.
Yes.
Balance hormones. We also have squalene, avocado oil, borage oil, and aloe vera. Kung plantita ka na kay aloe vera,
Naa.
ay nalagnod-nod-nod, inom nalag porkir.
Correct.
Right? So, these are all the ingredients of porkir.
Yes.
So, imagine if you are to cook something for you and your family to eat, imagine the ingredients that you are giving yourself and your family. How
Yes.
healthy it is.
Yes.
So again, before I end my sharing, let me bring you back to the information of the first slide. Now you have the power to remain healthy or to
Yes.
regain your
Yes.
strength, your vitality, your good health. The power is now in your hands. Don't let yourself or someone you know just simply be a part of the statistics
Yes.
of the death worldwide. Thank you very much. And thank you, good afternoon.
Yes.